welcome back to Harshu the Little Chef, where today I will be showing you how to make a new recipe. Today we will be making bell pepper ring omelette. But while I was just setting up the materials for the omelette, I was thinking of a very popular question. Which came first, the egg or the chicken? At the end of the video, I will give you my understandings. Stay tuned. But for now, let's start cooking. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 1 large capsicum chopped, half cup of chopped cilantro leaves, 1 small chopped onion, 3 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of dhaniya powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I will show you how to cut the bell pepper. So first, you'll have to hold it from here and slice the back part off. We will have to make another ring just like this one. For this recipe, I will be using an electric skillet. Now I will start the process off with putting the heat on medium. The pan is hot, so we should put 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil is hot, so now we'll put the onions in. We will not need to fry the onions, but after it's partially fried, we will have to put the bell pepper in so they can both fry properly. Mix it properly with the onions. Next, we will need to add salt. Mix the salt up. Saute for 5 minutes. Now we should keep the lid on. So now we should take the lid off. Mix it again. It is time to add the turmeric powder and ginger garlic paste. Mix it properly. The ginger garlic paste mixed well, so now you can put the chili powder in. Mix it well. Now we should put the lid on for another 2 minutes. Now we can check how the vegetables are doing. The bell pepper looks almost cooked, but now we have to add just one more thing, cilantro powder. Mix it well. Now we should put cilantro in, which is optional. Mix it well again. The curry is now done, so we can off the stove. Let the curry cool down so we can go to the next process. The curry is now cooled down, so now we can put it in the mixing bowl. The curry is in the mixing bowl. Now I will open the eggs and put it in the curry and mix it well. Mix the egg really properly. Now we will start the next process for the cooking. I will be using the same skillet as we used for the curry. We should now on the skillet again, in medium. Now it is heated, so we should start the process off. Now we should put a little bit of oil. Now we should put the bell pepper ring on the oil. flip the bell pepper over. There we go. We will need to fry the bell pepper for 1 minute. Now we will have to put the curry mixture inside the ring. We will also need to have to fill the whole ring with the mixture. Put the lid on for 2 minutes. We should take the lid off, flip the bell pepper over. Now it's time to flip the bell pepper. See how it goes. It's cooked properly, yay! We should put the omelette or the bell pepper into a serving plate. The omelette looks yummy. So now I'm just going to give you a tip or a fact that maybe many people do not about something. Many people might not like bell pepper. So if you want to, you can just make an omelette just with the curry instead of putting it in the bell pepper. I'm going to eat the bell pepper omelette. Do you remember the question I asked earlier? According to researchers, the chicken came before the egg because only chickens have the proteins for eggshells.